If you want to unblock a number on Samsung Galaxy S25, what you can do is go to the phone app. And for example, if you have the blocked number saved in contacts, then you can go to contacts in the bottom right corner, select the blocked contact, tap on the gray eye icon, go to more in the bottom right corner, and then you should be able to unblock the contact. And that is all. Now, if a certain phone number has tried to reach you, or they reached you, or you called them, and you blocked that number, you can also go back to that phone number. So we can select it from recents, tap on this gray icon, and then at the bottom you have unblock option. There we go. And last but not least, we can also tap on these three dots in the top right corner and go to settings. And over here we can choose block numbers, and here you'll find the list of all blocked numbers. So you can press this red minus button on the right side next to the number that you want to unblock, and that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!